Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make some matcha Neapolitan sugar cookies. I first saw these on Amy, aka Constellation Inspirations Instagram, and I thought they were really pretty, so I was like, hey, why not? Let's try to make them. Grab your ingredients and follow along with me. So pretty straightforward sugar cookie recipe. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And as with other cookie recipes, start off with your wet ingredients. You beat together the butter with the sugar until it's nice and smooth. And the instructions say this should only take about 30 seconds. Perfect. When that's done, add the egg and then your vanilla extract. Then you scrape it all down with a spatula. Next, you have the dry ingredients. You want to get your flour, salt, and baking powder, then whisk it all together. Good job, you're doing great. Next, we want to put all the dry ingredients into the butter mix. This should only take about 45 seconds. Next, you want to divide it into 3 equal parts. I also wanted to test out the ube and pandan flavors, so I weighed it out and split it into 6 equal portions, leaving 2 portions plain vanilla and flavoring the other 4, strawberry matcha and pandan and ube. Next, you want to split up the dough into little tablespoon-sized scoops. This part was my favorite because it reminded me of playing with Play-Doh. Grab 3 flavors, put it into the palm of your hand and roll it around. Just like that. Perfect! Also, if you have little kids around, I would definitely recommend this as a little group project because it's super fun, easy, and tasty too. I also love that this doesn't have to be perfect or anything, and each cookie gets its own unique swirl. You know, put your own little flavor to it. Alright, we're almost there. Last step is to coat each ball of dough with sugar. Just like that. Ooh, there are so many flavor combinations out there. What would you do? Let me know in the comments below. Alright, almost there. Bake your cookies for 10-13 minutes, and here's mine. How'd you do? How did I do? Let me know in the comments below. And here are some more shots of my cookies. Here are the ube pandan ones. I don't know how I really feel about the colors because it kind of looks like Mardi Gras, but I'm loving the strawberry matcha ones. Alright, so mine came out a little bit thicker than the photos, but they were still really soft and nice. The flavors were really subtle, but I still tasted them. I really enjoyed it. Alright, and let's put this side by side with the photos of what I expected versus what I actually got. I would definitely add more strawberries next time. Alright, and now here are my home baker ratings for the instructions, taste, aesthetics, and expectations. I would give the instructions a 9 out of 10. They were very easy, but I don't know, I think I went wrong somewhere. Taste, I would give this an 8 because it wasn't as strong as I expected. Aesthetics, it's still pretty nice. Everyone on my Instagram loved it. And for the total expectations of the cookies from what I actually got, as you can see, it's not exactly the same, so I give it a 7.5, which gives us a whopping 8.125. So yeah, I would recommend this recipe to other people with a few tips. Add some more strawberries and do not overmix because I think that's what made it too poofy. That's it. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Love y'all. See you next week. Bye.